welcome back to the channel. Last time we got the bumper off on the new Renault Captur, filled you all in with what was happening with the channel. So this time around I need to get the front wing off, I need to get the bonnet off, etc, etc, to prepare us for all of the new parts coming in, so that yeah, we can get this repaired and back on the road. So follow along, grab yourself a brew and enjoy. So first things first, need to get the wheels back on so I can get the car back down on the ground, off the lift, and we can get the sail panel off, and we can get to the bolts, get the door open so we can get to the bolts for the wing and get the wing off. These are sided. I guess they're modern snow. And of course there's another one underneath. Sorry. Alright, one wing. Shame it's broken. Never mind. Clamp or some such on that. So I think just these 4 bolts here to get the bonnet off. So I've managed to, I say managed, I've tried to get some cardboard under here, remove the risk of us dropping the bonnet onto the windscreen, smashing that. Obviously we don't want to do that, so all of the components off the bonnet apart from these plastic things which I just can't figure out how to get off, but hopefully once you get the bonnet off we can have a look in behind it and see what that looks like and then figure it out. See that little tab? Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the other side out too. Oh well, scrap one, it doesn't matter. Right, time to line things up. So I've placed on the new wing. It lines up reasonably well, I think. Just having a look at some bolts. Just wanting to put them all in, make sure they line up initially, and then we'll adjust the wing accordingly, make sure it fits with insulation. Yeah, and then it's a case of waiting for the new bumper, bonnet, etc. Maybe we can fit the headlight, perhaps. There you go. Alrighty, so there's one in here. That's very light. Yeah, that's you. Is that you? Feels right. The door open. Tell you what, easier if I didn't have 3 other bolts around. I mean, other things are missing too. There's no bulb. Say there's no bulb, there's a bulb in there. There you go then. Weird. Theory, they should work. Hey, so this is going together quicker than even I expected, to be honest. Let me give you a quick view of how it's going. So the wing is on. Wing is on. Shut lines are good. Colours good. I think it needs a wash anyway, generally. So bringing you over to the original side, non-damaged side. There's your headlight. And then on the side that was damaged, headlight is in. It's not in finally. I need to get bulbs and stuff like that, but and there's the odd nut and bolt here and there, but like everything lines up. I've adjusted a little bit of sort of thin sheet metal bracketry because obviously that had been pushed, but overall, I mean, it's looking amazing, to be frank. If you've watched a previous video, that was shot yesterday. I edited it yesterday afternoon and uploaded it last night. And this is the next morning. So I've got the bonnet off, got the wing off, got the new wing on, got the headlight in, and it's 1 o'clock. So I only started at 11. So another 2 hours on this and we're good to go. It really is kind of flying together at the minute. Now, obviously, I've completely jinxed myself saying that. And no doubt, when everything else turns up, it won't fit. But I guess this is the benefit of either buying new parts or buying parts in colour, is that there's no paint, there's no faff. So that's obviously the best option. I just wish I could have found a bonnet and a bumper in red, but never mind, that's how it goes. You can only go with what's available at the time. So yeah, let's crack on, do some more.